All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, any part of the world that you might be watching this from. I've actually been following through with this boat for quite a while now. My name is Yinka Odeyemi, and I'm super excited to do this review of this amazing futures trading boat that's been doing wonderfully well, for a while now. Actually, this boat has been on private test for over a year, and it just got released to the public just 2 months ago. Just 2 months ago. It's a hedge trading, boat that makes at least minimum of 1% for you every day. But I like being sincere with persons because on this my channel I only share legitimate business opportunity that I have tested and proven over time. For you to make the 1% and above every day, you definitely need some good balance. Let's say from like 300 to $500 and above for you to start making at least 1%, 2% and more every day. But if you have just $100, you can also get started. For my own, I started, this should be 11, yes, so this should be my third day of live experience of the boat. I started trading with $100 just to test, how to see the efficacy of the system, it's what and what, I've been hearing about it all the while. And this is my home proof for it. So far, so good. After like 3 days, you can see my current balance is 100.92. It's a hedge trading boat. What hedge means is that the boat basically enters both a buy and short positions at the same time every now and then. It works with a hedge strategy. Let me just quickly show you that. You understand? This is the concept of the strategy. In most boats that we have in the crypto market now, most of them, you always see them, in floating losses. And at the long run, you see that you are losing more, or the market will just completely turn around you and just close it and you close at your loss. But this time around, this hedging boat ensures that your floating loss actually at the end of the day becomes profit. How? Anytime it enters the market, it enters in two directions at the same time. It buys and sells at the same time. So let's say, for example, initially buys and sells with $10 each for you. You understand? Once the market moves up, if the market is going in the buy direction, that means in the long direction, once it gets to like $10 profit, to take the profit, you understand, then do another buy of $10. You understand? So if the market keeps moving on again, once it gets another $10 to take the profit, it won't close this sell. You understand? So once it's done this buy of 10, it will continue like that. But if the market decides to goes down again, and the market finally went down, and is the short direction it goes, and it gets to making another $10 from the sell, to take that profit of the sell and open another sell for 10, and it continues. So it keeps taking profit in either of the direction per time. You understand? So at the long run, by the time it has ended the day, you should have seen it make some profit for you no matter what happens. This is what I call I like calling it a loss proof. Let me say a loss proof strategy, because I've actually done hedging also to myself in VIX, in Forex, you understand? And it worked, but because of the emotions involved, because as a human, there are some times when you start seeing some of your position going through some big red, because of course one direction will always be in red, one direction will be in green. Understand? So you might be emotionally driven and you might just want to close, but this is a boat. It is not emotion, no emotion attached. It just follows the sequence per time, making profit either on the buy in the sell direction at all times. You understand? So the only thing you just need to do is to fund your Binance account, have your funds in your Binance account, link the API, this boat with you. I'm going to drop my link right below this video. The boat is 100% free to use. The only thing you pay is just the gas fee. For every $15 gas fee you pay, you make $75 back in your account. So let's say, for example, you have a $100 account, in your Binance. That means for your $15 gas fee to expire, you would have made $75. As soon as you made $75, you will need to make another $15. So it's just like saying you have a pure profit of $60 from every $15 gas fee you pay, which is very, very good. You understand? So that's the way it's been working. This is my own live proof. For example, I started just 3 days. In fact, I'm going to be doing a massive top up on my account by next week. I'm going to be pushing this to $1,000, $2,000 and above next week. So this is my last 3 days account. You can see the trading results So far, so good. It's made me 1.7 within 3 days. You understand? Winning days 4, losing days no 0, break even days 1. You understand? Win rate 8%. So you can imagine the average profit that has made so far within this for this 0.4 to that's like 0.4%, 0.5%. You understand? And it's just because I'm just using the $100. So as soon as I'm going to be funding my account with 300, no, in fact, I'm going to be funding with $500 this week. So I'm going to be trading more coins because I'm going to be adding some other coins because since this is a loss-proof strategy, I'm not always afraid. You understand? And one thing I want you to know is that because it's an hedging strategy, per time, you will always, what you should make your decision on should always be on your balance. You understand? Don't work with this. This margin balance is actually your life. You can see this was 2.5 before, it's now 2.19. You understand? So this one is always the trading money. This balance is your total amount of money by the time all trades are closed. You understand? I started with 100, you can see it's now 100.91. You understand? Giving me at least considerable number of profits. If I should refresh this, I think it has even made more profit than 1.7. Let me just refresh this so that you will see, because I'm not I'm not this kind of marketer that will just keep hyping things. You understand? I tell you as it is. So let me just bring it back to the date. Today I started 8. You understand, to 11. So let's see. Okay, so so far so good. This is the profit it's been able to make, as you can see here. You understand, just within some couple of days, at least an average of 1.43% in 4 days, and it's doing well. So I'm definitely going to be adding more funds to my balance. And the good side of this is that your money is always in your Binance. You're not giving your money to anybody. Your money is right here in your balance. The only thing you do is to just connect through API. I'm going to do some short videos also to guide you on that. Just connect through API to the boat. The boat goes to work and start making profit for you on a daily basis. So this is like my 3 days result. First day, it made a profit of 0.41. The second day, which was 10th, that should be yesterday, it made a profit of 1.03. Today has just started. Today is 11th. By my time here, this is 8:00 a.m. So most likely by the end of today, should have gone way over 1% also too. On this 8, it was quite low because it was like very late in the night I did the setup. You understand? So that's why it's like that. So that you can see that today, yesterday one was very big, 1% made yesterday. Today is just 0.2%. By the end of today, of course, it should have gotten close, 1% and above. And that's how it keeps increasing on and on like that. You understand? So if you are ready to join, all you just need to do is to just, I'm going to paste my link right here below this video. Just click on it and register. I also have my WhatsApp. Please just chat me up on WhatsApp on this number. You understand? So once you chat me, I'm going to send you this PDF guide on how to do all the setup. You also see, because there are some, in fact, the $500 accounts average 59.9, that's average 1%. You understand? For 90 good days, it had no zero loss day. You can see the margin, the profit it made 5,391 in 90 days, $5,000 accounts. You can imagine this kind of result happening within just some few days. You understand? So some few months. So this is a very, very revolutionary boat that's definitely going to be changing the way things are done. So as soon as you are registered, please just chat me up on WhatsApp for instant guide. You understand? Basically, the summary is for you to start. If you just even want to do it there, just make provision for like $116, $15 when you are sending it to the boat for the gas fee. I'm saying 16 because there's going to be a $1 transfer fee from Binance to the app in order for you to pay the $15. Then the $100 remain in your own Binance. You don't send that to anybody. You understand? So I'll show you how to do that. Of course, there's also a lucrative plan too, which is tied around as people make more money. You understand? As people make more money, if you decide to start sharing this opportunity to your people, you also have an opportunity to make more money from their profit. As they are making 1% every day, you also will be making some particular amount from 15% and above. You understand? As your team also grows. Well, I won't bore you with all this. Let's just get started first. Let's get you on board so that you can see how this amazing boat is going to be changing the way people are going to be making money in 2023. 1% to 7% guaranteed every day. Hope this is clear. If you have any question, of course, please chat me up immediately. This is my WhatsApp number. I'm going to paste it right there. And let's get started together. Thank you so much, and God bless.